Hey there, homeowners! Got a stuck drill bit driving you nuts? Don't worry, I've got the fix. First things first, safety matters. Throw on some safety glasses and gloves before you start. Okay, let's dive in. Step 1, check the chuck. Sometimes it's just a simple case of the chuck not being fully tightened. Grab the drill chuck key, insert it into one of the holes, and turn it counterclockwise. This should loosen the bit. Still stuck? No sweat. Step 2, use some pliers. Grip the drill bit with a pair of locking pliers and try twisting it out. Remember, slow and steady wins the race here. If the bit is being extra stubborn, it's time for step 3, lubrication. Spray a little penetrating oil around the chuck and bit. Let it sit for a few minutes to work its magic. Then, gently twist with those pliers again. Alright, if that doesn't work, for step 4, you might need a wrench. Attach the wrench to the bit and gently tap it with a hammer. This should help break any bonds holding the bit in place. Finally, in the rare case nothing's worked, it could be time for a chuck replacement. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Use a hex key to remove the chuck screw. Then twist off the old chuck and replace it with a new one. There you go. Your drill bit should be free and ready to roll. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't get discouraged if it takes a few tries. Thanks for watching.